Hey guys, welcome to the last episode, I hope, of the tile lighting tutorials, and this is what we got in the last episode. And today we're going to make it so we can add new lights just from the click of a button and maybe do some few improvements to make it run a bit better. So what we need to do is go to the play state, and below or above, it doesn't really matter, but we'll do it below here. We want to check if mouse is clicked and then add a new light where the mouse is. So what we want to do is create a new private input variable, and this is so we can get the mouse, and input's going to be equal to container.getInput. There we go. So now down here we can just do a basic if statement. So if input dot is mouse pressed, input mouse left button. So if that's true, that means we've clicked. So we want to do lights.add new light source. And this is where we want to, we can do it like this. So input dot, no, sorry, there we go. Dot get mouse X, input dot get mouse Y. And we'll just set it for 7 for the width of the light, or the travel of the light. But as you remember, the last episode we made it so it times it by 64, so let's just divide that by 64 so we get the block position instead. And now if we play, we can place more lights down every time we left click. So as you see, they all merging in with each other. If we put too many down, it will just be completely white, well, see-through. Right, let's add a light that follows the mouse whenever you move it around. This we should do before, we'll do that up here. So for light tile, how do we do it? How should we do this? No, let's do it. There's no point of iterating over these again, so let's do it here. So let's get a float. We're going to copy this function here, or this variable, and instead of passing in this, we're going to pass in the mouse X and Y. So input.get mouse X, input.get mouse Y. So that's got the distance from the mouse to the tile. And we can do the same thing as up here. So if the distance is less than, alright, what are we adding down here? So we're adding 7. So let's do, if it's less than 7 times by 64, because we want 7 blocks wide for the light spread, and 64 is how big each block is. So if it is in the distance of the light, we want to t.lux minus equals, it's not t, it's lt every time. We want to map the distance between 0, and then we want to do 7 times by 4, sorry, because that's the how far the light goes, 1f and 0f. Okay, this should now handle the mouse input. So there we go, you see the mouse is following, the light's following the mouse. I'm going to get rid of this one in the middle because it's annoying me. There we go. So now you can see it's moving around and following it. So we can place lights down wherever we like. Place one here, place one in the middle. As you see, they're all blended in together nicely. If you see, we move it over. Now I'm going to show you how to create a smoother effect. So we can change this and actually make it less smooth. So if we put it at 64, this would be full tile, using the tile as the light. Instead of creating 4 tile lights per tile, it's just using 1. This is more blocky, but some games this could be what you need. The next size is 32, then we can do 16. There you go, a lot more smooth. But obviously it's going to start impacting performance a lot more. Let's turn off the VSync or set that to false, sorry. And let's not set a target frame rate. Let's just see what kind of performance we're getting. So first we'll set it to 64, and you'll see we're probably going to get quite a high FPS. Yeah, so here we go, it's 1,500. So if we place a few down, it's going to start affecting it, but not too much, because there you go, it's still only dropped about 50 FPS. Let's drop it down to 16, and you'll see a big difference. There we go, look at that. But it does look smoother. We can go all the way down to 4 before it really starts to kill performance, but this actually looks smooth. It doesn't really look like tile-based lighting anymore, so I wouldn't really see the point in doing this. There's a lot better ways to do this with shaders, and that'll be one of my next tutorials coming up. But this was just how to show you how to do basic tile-based lighting that looks blocky. So let's put this back up to 32. That's my favourite. But you can still see the blocks, and it looks nice, and it just looks really nice. Place these all around everywhere. Yeah, it looks really cool. Alright, thanks for watching this tutorial series. If you've got any more series that you'd like me to do, or any kind of small videos you'd like me to do, just drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.